So if you want to convert any kind of video, first you have to download this K-Lite mega codec. This is not required, but it is preferred if you have MKV file format, MP4 file format. So any kind of file format will be supported through this mega codec format, and you can download basic, standard, or full version of this particular mega codec, which is typically 48 MB, and you can select the server location whichever you want, and it will download this K-Lite codec pack full exe. Okay, so this could be the first step to download mega codec. There are File Hippo and other file hosting websites where you can download this particular file. Now I will choose one of the sites and I will download it in front of you so that it's pretty clear. I think some wrong link got pasted.
रेकॉर्डिंग म्हणजे मला नंतर रेकॉर्डिंग काय मला कुठे काय परत डाऊट आला तर आय कॅन सी इट.
Yeah, it's getting recorded. So this particular search option will land you to some of the websites where you can download this particular file. Just 48 MB, so you can just download it. You can choose a mirror and then it should start download. So K-Lite codec pack full 48 MB. So this will allow you to have all the codecs in your PC, and then you will not face any problem in converting. Now to clip the video file, you will need a portable version of Movavi. Let me just add some media files. Any random media file you can take. Let's say this lecture is there. I will take that particular lecture. So now when you add a lecture file, let's say this particular lecture has been added. Now you can see its timeline here. So you can improve or reduce on the timeline. It will also show you the durations on this side. Now you are editing a video as a whole. We want to clip some part of the video. Let's say I want to clip out of this, let's say 50 seconds video. I want to clip something starting from 20th second. Okay, so I will select this and say cut, and up to, let's say I want to select up to 35 seconds. Okay, so here you can see 35 over here. Again I will click cut. So this portion is, let's say, muted and I don't want it in my final video. So just select this portion now and press delete. So now it got erased from the file. Okay, so this is your first file is ready. I have removed some portion from that particular file, and now I want to store this file. So to store this file, I have to select all, and then you have to click on export. Now here you will get all the different type of formats. You can choose FLV, MP4. All these are the file types. You can preserve the original file type, or you can go for MP4, which is the standard format. H.264, not much compressed, and pretty good quality. It will also show you the estimated file size and duration it will require to convert, and also it will give you the option of resolution. Now here you can do few things, like if your original resolution is 640 cross 480, you can there is no need to convert it into such high resolution. You can directly select 640 cross 480. If your original resolution is let's say 720 cross, so if you know your original resolution, just select from it, let's say 720 cross whatever. So I just say 720. The other option is automatically filled because they are generally locked by the aspect ratio, which is 4:3 or 16:9. Second thing is we don't play in on a HDTV. We are generally streaming, so any frame rate about around 25 is good enough. And audio, it depends how you have recorded. Typically 44100 and stereo quality is good enough. If it is just a monotonous, like I am speaking, it's a monotonous signal, there is nothing in it, so I can select a mono channel also. I will keep it stereo. This is a standard settings, and anything above that is considered as the HD settings. So you can go for 12080 HD and better resolution. You can go for these files. Anyways, over the internet, it will be transferred at its own resolution. So it doesn't matter what resolution you choose here, but don't select like 320 cross 240. It will definitely reduce your size from 40 MB to 4 MB, but you will lose on the quality of the picture. Okay, this quality actually doesn't matter you whether you select high, highest or good, but the settings that we did was very important. This is basically controls the quality of the output file, and then you press export, and you will have to select a file path. So my file path is C drive user desktop, and let's say this is my file one, and then you have to click start. So this is how you can crop any video. Now it happened very fast because of my entire machine is free to do all the, so it can use my entire machine power to do this, and it becomes very fast. So this is the best way to crop. Now if you don't modify anything, it will be very fast. As soon as you decide to add some audio, there are multiple options, so don't go for any such modifications, so that optimum time it will get exported. So you just saw 40-second video got exported in 4 seconds. So roughly 1/10 of the second. So 2-hour video should take around 20 minutes. That's it. But remember, the file size will be bigger because whatever you have recorded from Zoom app or maybe your Microsoft Teams, they are basically compressed at a very high rate, and that's why their size is around 4 MB, 40 MB, or maybe at max 500 MB. Sometimes it goes to 2-3 GB, not more than that. But here your file size can go up to 10 GB also. So because of the type of encoding we are choosing. So this is about the cutting the video and completely re-encoding. Now I will tell you the other method where it will be very fast. So I will call one software where I can clip the video file from the video. Basically, I can trim the file. I have to see whether it is installed or not. So video. I will just check whether it's installed in my machine. C drive. Okay, so that particular software. So this particular software which I have shown you is Movavi Video Editor, and Splitter is the where I can show you how to clip the software. Okay, both these softwares are portable, so no need to install. Just copy paste into your C drive and run the exe file. That's all you have to do, and it will run. Now this is way faster than re-encoding, because this will just cut the clips from your main video, and it will not touch your original video at all. So you just have to again give some input file. Uh, let's give one input file which we just created. I don't know what name I gave. Maybe, yeah, file one. So I just choose that. Now once you choose that, it will appear over here. Again, similar way, let's say I want to keep my video up to, let's say, first 12 seconds. This is the part I want to save. I just have to say trim. Okay, now here I will get an option. Okay, there was some error. I guess I have to restart it again. So it's pretty easy to use this software. You just have to just click trim. I don't want to recover.
So what is the name of the software? Video Splitter.
Yes, it's Video Splitter. So I will take again the same file. Let's see if there is any problem with that file. Okay. So so here are the time points which you said. start point and end point. It will show you the time points. Okay. And then you have to select, save the selected fragment as, and then you can say file 1001 save. So that's it, it's done. It is too fast, it won't take few seconds also. And these are the two softwares through which you can do the trimming of the videos. Now if you want to select multiple parts, you can again go to the same file, and let's say now I want the end part of this particular file. Then again, it's always better to reselect the file, and now I want just the end part of this particular file. So you have to move this particular logo cursor. So now whatever has been selected is this region, and again you can click on this and say save selected part as, and then save. That's it. So this is the way you can do the processing. Generally, this video splitter is way faster than re-encoding and all. But if you feel, it's your choice. So I will stop recording now. And if you have any doubts, you can ask.